Dear students, it is the second class in connection to changes of space. Class number 2 or part number 2. In the previous class, I have explained that what is sentence, what are the types of sentence, and few example given on assertive sentence in the assertive sentence in past tense and present tense. In this class, I want to explain the rules related to verb in present, past, in future, which is to be remembered for conversion of or changes of speech from direct to indirect. The rules are written here in the left hand side. Also some few rules are mentioned in the right hand side. Rules direct to indirect. If in the direct, what is now, in the indirect sentence, it is to be written as then. If in the direct space, it is here, it is the indirect space, it is to be there. It is direct, this, in the indirect, that. In the plural also, this and that. If it is in the direct space, it is come, indirect space, go. It is direct space, ago, the indirect space, before. In the direct space, today, in the indirect space, that day. In direct space, tomorrow, indirect space, to be the next day. In the direct space, yesterday, in the indirect space, the yesterday, it will be previous day. In the direct space, last night, that in the indirect space, the previous night. Now, there are some rule which is to be remembered to avoid mistake. So, reporting verb and reported verb. If the reporting verb, present or future tense, no change is to be made in the indirect speech related to tense of verb. Second rule, the reporting verb in past tense, the reported verb to be in corresponding past tense. Then important rule, the reporting in past tense and reported in direct, this invited comma is direct in the simple past tense. Then in the indirect space, it is simple past and is to be joined with that, and that is the in the direct space. When it is in indirect, the reporting part past, reported present. Now the indirect speech, reported part is to be converted into simple past tense, that is past and simple present, that is simple past plus the reported speech is to be written in simple past tense. Second text, past tense, the reporting part and the reported part in past continuous, present continuous tense. It is the direct, past, reporting, reported, present continuous. In the indirect, past will remain past plus with that the present continuous is to be converted into past continuous. It will be the form of the verb but in the past continuous tense. Tense is to be changed according to the rule. It is past and it is present continuous. In the indirect past, that past continuous tense. Third one, past in the direct speech, and reporting verb in past tense, and reported in the present perfect tense in the direct speech, then indirect speech, then reporting past plus reported verb in past perfect tense. If past in the direct speech, the reporting part past and reported part in present perfect, then the indirect form past plus means that past perfect tense, then past, it is past and it is past and present perfect continuous, then it is direct. It is indirect past, that is that, and the reported space which is in present perfect continuous, it is to be in past perfect continuous, it is to be again I am explaining past, simple past and simple present, then simple past plus then reporting part also in reported part in simple past, then past and the present continuous, in indirect past that past continuous, then past, then present perfect, then past perfect, then past and present perfect continuous. Inverted comma means direct. In the indirect, past plus that past perfect continuous. It is the thumb rule for this. I have explained. Then there are other part also. Then I will explain in the next class. Now I want to explain this. Rule which is mentioned in the right hand side. I will take some example. Left hand side, with reference to left hand side rules, I will do some narration or change of speech direct to indirect in the right hand part, right hand side on the board. Now I am taking some example to give more clear idea about this. Now I am rubbing this board to explain with the help of some illustration. 1. Present and future. Sonia says. What Sonia says? I am very busy. I am very busy. That means it is in this category and this part. So what will do? No change. So Sonia says that. That means to remove the inverted comma, that is direct to indirect, we are joining this sentence or making connectivity direct speech, then direct part with indirect part, direct part as a indirect sentence statement. That is Sonia says that. I means Sonia. She. It is a present tense. She is. She is not am is. Same thing. It is also be bar. Very busy. Example. Then I am taking the example of future tense. Boys. What are boys? Boys will say. What boys will say? We like sports. We like, sorry, we like sports. We like sports. So what will be? That is indirect form. It is direct to indirect. It is direct to indirect. Boys will say this. Boys will say that. Boys is they. Like sports. There is no change in verb. Under this category, at the time of converting direct to indirect, that part is over. Now, most important part is this. Most important part, also I will take example for him. So one by one I want to explain. Must. Now he said, he said, comma and invited comma, my father works hard, or yes, my father works hard. That is, in this category, that is simple past, and it is after conversion. It is after conversion. It is after conversion. It is after conversion. That is past and simple present. What is the rule? Simple past is to be kept as simple past, and you add both. Plus means that. You said that my means he, his father. Then rule is simple past, and it will be present will be converted into simple past. My father. What is father? Work hard. Works, then worked hard. That is the rule. Worked, worked, worked. It is in past tense, it is present, it is past, then that, then it is also past. That means we are covering this rule. Now, second one, past and in the direct speech, present continuous. So, I will take example, or we will take example then. Then second example is, the boy said. Boys said. Boys said, past. Boys said. Then in the direct, present continuous, we are boys said, we are playing. We are playing. The rules is past. That means boys said that they, and it is to be past continuous. They were playing. We are writing the sentence direct to indirect. It is the past tense, it is past, it is present continuous. So in the indirect, that, then boys, they are playing. It is second part is over. Now third part, that is the example that he said or she said, I have done it. She, so I am rubbing this. So I am taking example for this one or giving illustration so that it will be more clear. So what is this? She, past. She, what? Past tense. She said, I have. What is I have done it? I have done it. It is clear. It is a sentence in present perfect tense, that is have or has, and main verb in PP, past participle, do, did, done. See, that is in the past tense, and in the direct speech reporting part in past tense and a reported part in present perfect tense. Then rule is past perfect. Past, she said that she had done it. That is the rule. Past and past, then that, then it is present perfect converted into past perfect. You had done it, and that, it is she said that, she said that she had done it. Now fourth example, past and present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Example, you said, it is past tense and it has been raining. It has been raining. It has been raining. That means what is the rule? What is the rule for this? Or raining? She said rain. Reading करो वो भी अच्छा है. Reading. Exam, there is exam time, so she is reading. She said, I am. Sorry. You said. Or you said it has been raining. When it is mentioned here, so what will be the sentence in direct to indirect form? You said that. You said that. Then past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. You said that. What? It had been raining. It had been raining. That means we are following the rule past and present perfect continuous. Then past plus in the indirect form past perfect continuous. You said it has been raining. It said that it had been raining. All rules are mentioned according to I have given illustration, and the rest part will be more interesting. I will do in the next class. But all are you requested, you go through part 1, thereafter part 2. Prepare part 1 and part 2, then part 3 will be more clear to all of you. Thanks all of you for giving attention to my class. Okay, bye.